Have you got an ideal logic that's making a horrible noise, something like this? You've probably got a blocked injector, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. This is only for gas trained engineers. Don't try this at home. So you're going to have a blocked injector, which is this part here. If that's not serviced regularly, you get dirt building up inside here, and it mixes up the gas and air inside this chamber. And if there's not enough air going in, then that's when you get that trumpeting noise. It's a combustion noise. So let me show you. This is your injector, and you get a little bit of dirt inside that hole, and that's all it takes to make a horrid noise. What you do is you get, first of all, a scouring pad, clean the outside of the injector. But all it takes is a tiny little speck of dirt inside that hole, and that's going to make that horrible rumbling noise. So you need to get something long and thin inside there and make sure there's no dirt, any specks of anything inside that little hole. Something like an Allen key or something like that, just to get right in there and give it a good old scrub. It should be done every year when the service is done. If it's not, then the service hasn't been done properly. This is a common problem with these boilers. The other thing it could be is dirt inside this little thing, which is called a venturi. So we take this out, and again, a little bit of dirt inside that can cause the noise. Just takes the slightest change in gas and air mixture to make that boiler start to trumpet. With a nice firm brush and a scouring pad. Right, let's put it all back together and see if that's fixed it. How lovely and clean that is. Right, let's see how that works now. It only makes the noise on low rate, usually. So let's turn it down and see if I fixed it. Beautifully quiet. And that's how you sort out a noise on an ideal logic.